most welcoming global spoken English.
First of all, I like to thank my favorite teacher who gave me a golden chance to speak on this stage. My name is Mohammed Mehra and my father's name is Mohammed Nasir and I am learning English speaking from JC Center. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on importance of education. Education plays an important and vital role in our life. Education helps us to become a successful man or a good man. But in this modern generation, students are aware from the importance of education. Just take a simple example. If you go in a foreign country, you can understand their language and you can talk to them easily through the help of education. Education helps us to build a good and great future in our life. There are many types of education and its important type is value education. Value education also plays an important role in our life, either in school, home or society. A student having values like how to think, how to stand, how to behave has fantastic status in his or her society. Nowadays, students are given very more freedom from their parents than required, and these are not be given. So parents should be take care of it. Children having values has a fantastic status in his or her society. A room has not books is a body like without soul. So make a friendship between your books, you will find a new world. Books is our best friend. Education is the key to unlock the doors of success. Education is the essential part of one's life, in which we learn to stand by others, the basic facts of life and so on. Education is our first stage of education is with our parents. Our mother, father teach us about basic knowledge, and then we go in school for getting formal degrees, and our experiences teach us. Before finishing my topic, I wanna say something that APJ Abdul Kalam says that fail means first attempt in learning. It means if you fail in your life and in anything, then never give up and do hard work on it and never lose your hope and never think that you are less than someone. Always think that I can and I am good. Now I want to finish my topic. Thank you. Listen to me.
Okay, now I would like to call Mr. Saman Rosri and please Saman Rosri.